You uploaded your digital products and got zero sales, no orders, no notifications. But guess what? I'm still showing up because this is how real businesses begin. Hi, I'm Justina, and I create digital products like planners, printable busy books, and learning tools, all made for moms, teachers, and hardworking Pinoys. I started my Raket.ph shop to build passive income while doing what I love. Even without sales yet, I believe in what I made. Every product is useful, practical, and designed with real people in mind. I may not have sales right now, but I have purpose, and I know someone out there needs exactly what I've created. If you're curious or want to support my small business journey, click the link in the description to visit my Raket.ph shop. Like, follow, and join me as I turn zero sales into something real. Let's grow together.